How to remove old email addresses from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Mail and tap on it. You are now in the Mail settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, customize how your mail appears and works and more. Go to Mail Accounts. Here, you can view all the email accounts added to your Mail app. Tap on the account you want to delete from here. For example, Gmail. Then, tap on Delete Account below. Tap on Delete Account again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily remove old email addresses from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.